Hi, welcome back to this session. 26th July morning shift integer type of questions we'll discuss in a separate video. That is this one. See, benzene with chlorine, the product is hexachlorocyclohexane, or you can call this is benzene hexachloride gamaxine powder anti-ant powder. In this, number of hydrogens he is asking, that is 6. 6, 6, 6, C6, H6, Cl6. This is one interesting question. If the wavelength of the first line in Lyman series of hydrogen spectrum is lambda L, and wavelength the difference between second transition of Balmer and third transition of Paschen series in the of Lyman spectrum of hydrogen atom is alpha lambda L, find the value of alpha. Easy only, but I am taking. If you have patience, you can do it. First, you see, first line in Lyman series means Lyman means n is equal to 1. First line means n2 is equals to 2. n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equals to 2. So when you are finding it, lambda L is coming as 4 by 3r. You can see first two lines. Then Balmer series means n1 is equals to 2, n2 is equal to second transition series 4. So 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. You need to solve. Then again he is asking now third transition series and Paschen series. Paschen means n1 is equal to 3. Again third line, so n2 is equal to 6. So 1 by 3 square 9, 1 by 6 square 36, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 36, you need to solve. Now he is asking lambda B Balmer minus lambda Paschen, that is 20 by 3r. So 4 by 3r is how many times? That is 20 by 3r is how many times to 4 by 3? That is 5 times. Lengthy, but you can do. Based on your time, you can decide. COH2O taken 6Cl2, COH2O taken 6Cl3. This is one interesting question. Cobalt, in first case it is plus 2, in second case it is plus 3. When cobalt plus 2 and plus 3, you can see here, cobalt plus 2, 3d7 configuration, there are 3 unpaired electrons. Water is a weak field ligand here. So when 3 unpaired electrons are there, the value will be 3.9 Bohr magnetron. So approximately 4 you can take. COH2O taken 6Cl3, if you see, the cobalt oxidation state is plus 3. So 3d6. But interestingly here, it shows D2sp3 hybridization and it is diamagnetic. There is no value. 4 minus 0 is 4. This is little interesting because it is having one good exception case. COH2O taken 6Cl3 is D2sp3. The velocity of electron is x times the velocity of a neutron. Generally, it is asked for proton. This time he is asking for neutron. If the wavelength of electron is equal to the wavelength of neutron, find the value of x. Lambda is equal to h by mv. This question we generally do for proton. He mentioned about neutron, that's all. But the values, you need to take these values on. 9.1 mass of electron. Neutron mass 1.6 10 to the power minus 27. Just take the average and the ratio, Lambda is equal to h by mv. Okay, lambda electron, lambda neutron, you write down separately. Both lambdas must be same. So MEVE is equal to Mn Vn. If you solve this one, you will be getting as 1758. Generally we say 1836, but here values are given here. When these values are used, you will be getting 1758 only. Correct. 25th question is related to chemical kinetics. One superb question. See, T half is equals to 100 seconds when initial amount is 0.5. When you made 0.5 to 1 mole, that is initial concentration is made double, so half-life became half, 100 to 50. So T half is inversely proportional to A. When T half is inversely proportional to A, that is second order. This is the solution. Directly you can do, there is no need to go with this. Very simple. T half if it is directly proportional A, that is 0 order. No relation, first order. Inversely proportional, second order. 800 ml of 0.5 HNO3 is heated. The volume of the solution reduces to half of the initial value and mass of HNO3 remaining is 11.5 grams. Here I think something fishy in this question because and the mass of HNO3 remaining is 11.5 grams in 800 ml. If you are taking it, may not be 0.5. I don't think so. This question is properly given. Okay, but anyway, 11.5 grams volume became half 400 ml. Directly you can solve this one. But 800 ml, 11.5 grams of HNO3 cannot be 0.5. That's interesting. So maybe this question is not completely remembered by the students. It's okay, but this kind of questions you can remember. For general dilution, M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2. In dilution, water to be added is equals to V2 minus V1. And this is clearly given 11.5 grams. So 11.5. Let us check this question once we get the original paper. But till that time, you can remember this formula better. On titration, acidic KMnO4 with sodium oxalate, the change in oxidation state. Always KMnO4 in acidic medium changes from +7 to +2. KMnO4 to Mn plus 2. Change is 5. A mixture of H2 and O2 contains 40% hydrogen by mass. Means 40 grams hydrogen, then remaining 60 grams oxygen. 40 grams hydrogen means 40 by 2, 20 moles. 60 grams of oxygen means 60 by 32, almost 2 moles. So total moles are 22. Okay, total moles when they are 22. So total pressure is 2.2 atmosphere given. Directly formula, partial pressure is equals to total pressure into mole fraction. So 2.2 atmosphere total pressure into mole fraction means number of moles of that by total number of moles. 2.2 into 2 by 22. You will be getting the answer. You can make it very simple. Not exactly this one. You can take directly, no issue. 2.2 is given. Now. If you take the mass as 2 grams, that will be very easy. Total pressure 2.2. 2.2 is equals to, okay, total pressure 2.2. 2.2 into mole fraction. Mole fraction means number of moles of that 2 moles by total moles 22. 2 by 22 and 0.22. That's very simple. 0.2. Chlorophyll is extracted from a leaf. The amount of magnesium was 48 ppm. The number of millimoles of magnesium in 2 liters of solution. Again, one simple calculation. 48 ppm means 48 grams present in 10 power 6. So, 2 liters contains how much? If 48 grams are present in 10 power 6, 2 liters means 2000 ml contains how much? That is weight you are getting as 96 in 10 power minus 3. Millimoles, moles when you got, you can find the millimoles. So for moles purpose divided by 24, millimoles into 10 power 3. Once if you get the moles, 1 mole is equal to 1000 millimoles. So that is 4. Thank you. Meet you with some more. The problem with this is these are memory based. So as much as we can give, we are providing. Thank you, Akash Group.